Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another healthcare work from home job lead for you. I know a lot of you are looking for something in the healthcare field. So today we have the huge insurance company, the Cigna Group. They are hiring a provider data representative. Now, this is remote and this is virtual for the United States only. Of course, the links, if you're interested in putting that application in, are always in the YouTube description box below this video. But they are looking for someone to review initial requests from their partners to ensure all data elements required for credentialing is present. So one thing to quickly note, since I am in the healthcare field, providers and doctors have to be credentialed with the different insurance groups in order to be able to bill that insurance. So if they want to see patients who have Cigna insurance and be able to bill Cigna, they have to get registered and credentialed with Cigna and then keep that paperwork up to date. So Cigna is looking for someone to perform a credentialing review of the initial applications received, and you'll review those applications based on Medicare, NCQA, and the Cigna standards. You'll perform timely outreach to the provider's office for discrepancy or missing information on the credentialing application. So this is not a customer service job. You will not be taking inbound phone calls, but if you're reviewing an application and something is missing, and you can quickly pick up the phone and call the doctor's office and ask them for that information, you will be required to do so. You'll track inquiries, follow-ups, and outcomes in their internal workflow tool. And of course, you'll partner with different matrix partners for resolution of any issues for credentialing, contracting, and Medicare business admin teams. Now, best part about this, not only are they not requiring a college degree, but they're really not even requiring any healthcare experience. They're looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or a GED. It says 1 year or more in the healthcare field is preferred, but not required. Also, credentialing experience is a plus, and if you have that, it might get you to the front of the line. You get some brownie points for that, but it is not required. They even say solid customer service experience is a plus, but not required either. So really no experience is required. They do need somebody who knows how to use those Microsoft Office applications, Word, Excel, Outlook, PowerPoint, all the things. Someone who is mind-driven in results, has strong communication skills, strong time management and organizational skills, and of course you've got to be able to work in a fast-paced environment and multitask. Now, if that is you, it says you'll be working from home permanently, so the internet connection must be obtained either through cable broadband or fiber optic. They don't say anything about computer equipment, so I do believe Cigna will provide the computer equipment for you, although they don't exactly state that. This position is paying $17 an hour, all the way up to $26 an hour. Of course, that's dependent on experience and location. And of course, they also offer the standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you enjoy healthcare work from home job leads, please let me know in the comments down below, or if there's something else you're looking for, leave that too. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.